Oh, this isn't a comedy video either. So don't be up here joking through your whole way through it.
Maybe it's my upper lip. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So Ali bought me a charger vinyl decal, which I'm going to be installing today right here. I'm going to show you guys the process that I used to install it. This will be my first time. I'm going to do my very best to keep the jokes at a minimum. I'm going to start by showing you guys the box and everything that came inside of it. This is the box. On the front it says Gridready charger tail light decal. Inside of the box we have instructions. We also have a little squeegee and a blue microfiber towel. Now, of course, also inside of the box was the decal. So this is the charger decal. I'm going to position it right here. And I'm going to use the left outside edge of the O and the right outside edge of the G to make sure that I have it centered. So this is where the decal will go. Once it's done, it'll be clear so that when the tail light is lit up, it will shine through red. So I'm excited to see the outcome. I also have a pair of scissors, a roll of blue painter's tape to make sure that I am positioning the decal straight, make sure it's not crooked or anything like that. This one is a little bit different from the vinyl on the tail light. You know, with the vinyl tail lights, we had to use soapy water and a heat gun to activate the adhesive. So I'm not sure if I'll need the heat gun, but I have it just in case. I also have a tiny bottle of rubbing alcohol. This is just simple Dollar Tree rubbing alcohol. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. All right, you guys, so I'm going to start by cleaning off the area where I'm going to apply the decal. So I'm just going to spray my alcohol on. And I'm going to use, I'm going to use the microfiber towel that it came with to dry it off or to wipe it off. So, all right, so I think that's good. I think it's nice and dry. So we're ready to move on to step 2, which is going to be taping the decal on. Step 1, tape is recommended to keep the decal aligned during the install. That's why I have this blue painter's tape. Step 2 and step 3 is really just a matter of getting the decal flattened out. I guess when maybe it came folded or something, like you can see right here, it's kind of like bent. But step 2 and step 3 is just kind of giving you tips to get it flattened out. So I'm going to skip step 2 and step 3 because it's already flattened out. And I'm actually just going to rip this piece of tape in half so I can save tape. Oh Lord, I done dropped it. Alright, so remember, I want to line it up the right edge of the, the left edge of the O and the right edge of the G. Y'all, I'm such a perfectionist. I really just want to make sure this thing is straight. So I'm going to go ahead and put this piece of tape in the middle. And then I'm going to put this piece on the left-hand side. And now I'm just looking at it, y'all, just to make sure that I am satisfied with how it looks. And I think I am. So I have my scissors here. So what I'm going to do is lift this part up. I'm going to lift this part up. And once I peel the sticker off, I'm going to cut the white part off so that I can then just lay the sticker on and squeegee it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this part off. And now I'm going to use my squeegee to lay this part down onto the tail light. And we want to make sure that you keep it aligned as well. There we go. All right. So you guys, this is transfer tape. So the top portion, or the top layer comes off also, which I'm glad it does because that looks terrible on there. So we're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my blue painter's tape. There we go. And I'm going to peel this off. There we go. And now I'm going to use the squeegee again, just like before, to squeegee this down onto the car, to the tail light. We'll just keep squeegeeing just to kind of make sure that it is actually stuck on there. My main concern is right here on the letters. That's where all the air bubbles is, right in the letters. Alright, so now I'm going to try to go ahead and peel off the transfer paper. Once we get the transfer paper off, we should be done. I'm going to try on this side since this side has been on longer. Oh wow, look at that, y'all. All right, I'm literally just peeling it off. Wow. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna peel very slowly, y'all, because I'm gonna be real mad if this messes up. Y'all, I'm too excited right now. Like, I feel like I could do this for a living, so y'all might as well just start hiring me for all your decal needs. Cause I did that. Almost there, you guys. Alright, so I got the transfer paper off, you guys. And wow. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to bring the camera over here so y'all can see. I'm gonna just wipe this joint down. Oh man. Y'all, look at this. Let me bring y'all over here so y'all can see this. Hold on. Alright guys, so here is the finished result. I think it looks freaking amazing. I am, y'all, I'm stoked. Like, I'm happy. And I did this myself. I'm very happy, y'all. I really like how this looks. I like how it came out. This is the finished result. Again, if you like this and you would like to purchase one, we will post a link to the item so that you can order you one. If you want me to put it on for you, let me know. I'd be more than happy to do so for a small fee. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you so much for your support. Stay tuned for additional videos that we have coming. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked my install. Click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time we post a new video. And as always, you guys have a great day. I have a roll of blue. Hey you guys, so today I'm gonna be installing this vinyl strip. Man, what is it called? Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to I'm getting ready. Cause you handed me a baby. All right, get out. Today I'm gonna be installing a vinyl charger strip, I guess. I don't know. And this is just my own little towel. Huh?